Welcome, everyone, to this deep dive. Get ready because we're about to tackle something really quite extraordinary today. Astronomers have found it. The single brightest object, the brightest thing we've ever seen in the universe.
That's right. And it's a specific kind of object, a quasar, basically the superluminous heart of a really distant galaxy.
And when we say luminous, the numbers are just, well, they're hard to grasp. We're talking 500 trillion times brighter than our own sun. Just let that sink in for a moment.
It's almost unbelievable, isn't it?
Mm.
And the engine behind this incredible light show, it's a supermassive black hole right at the center.
Okay, right. Quasars, black holes, we know they're connected, but what makes this one the record holder? Why so bright?
Well, the key thing here seems to be its growth rate, this particular black hole. It's the fastest growing one we've ever found. It's just feeding like crazy.
Heating how much? Like, what are we talking about?
Okay, get this. The estimated mass is about 17 billion times the mass of our sun.
17 billion. Okay.
And it's pulling in matter equivalent to more than one sun
Wait, more than a sun?
every single day.
A whole sun's worth of stuff falling in daily. That's wild.
It's an absolutely astonishing rate of consumption.
So all that stuff, the gas and dust falling in, that creates the light somehow.
Exactly. It doesn't just fall straight in. It forms this huge swirling disk around the black hole, an accretion disk.
Ah, okay.
And as this material spirals inwards, friction and gravity heat it up to, well, millions of degrees, incredibly hot. It gets so hot it just blazes with energy, shines incredibly brightly across, the whole spectrum. That's the light we see.
Right, right. So it's not the black hole shining, it's the superheated stuff around it getting ready to fall in. Makes sense.
Huh.
Here's the bit that really gets me. 500 trillion suns bright. Black hole eating a sun a day. How did we miss this? How is this not like the first thing Hubble pointed at?
That is maybe the most surprising part of this story. Despite being so incredibly bright, it was somehow overlooked for decades.
Decades. Seriously.
It actually shows up on sky survey images going back to around 1980.
No.
It was basically hiding in plain sight, just another point of light among millions until fairly recently. It took astronomers using, I think, newer analysis methods on existing data and then follow-up observations to realize what they were actually looking at.
Hiding in plain sight for 40 years, that just makes you think, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. And it poses a really interesting question for you listening right now. Think about it. If the brightest object ever observed was hiding there in data we already had, well, what else could be out there? What other amazing things might be waiting to be found? Maybe even in places we've, already scanned.
That's a pretty profound thought. It really underscores how vast the universe is and how many secrets it probably still holds.
Definitely. The scale is immense and the potential for discovery, it's just humbling, really.
Well, that's certainly something to chew on. Stay tuned for more intriguing stories like this one.